It's Donald.
What up? So what's up, guys? Yesterday was drift day. If you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, go check it out. S13 performed amazing. It was an amazing day. I had such a fun time, and now I'm feeling confident in the car. No hiccups. It was great. It was great. But today we got more stuff going on. The S13 still stuck at the house, and I have time to trailer it down yesterday. But what do you think we should do today, Donald?
Work on this thing right here.
You think we should work on the Lexus today?
Yeah.
DJ and Travis over here seem pretty excited about the builds. They want me to freaking put like a 1J or a 2J in this.
He can't put the same motor back in it. Like,
I was trying to be practical with this thing.
Wow.
I was gonna just be a nice daily.
There's no practical with you. Yeah, whatever.
1J IS 300. Just like picture it in like bold letters.
Like it hasn't been done a million times.
It
would be cool.
I said 2J. I think 2J would be like.
It would be, but like 1Js are just easy. So I don't know. What we gotta do though is we gotta start taking this car apart. Now this is a typical YouTube vlogger stage right here that everyone loves to do. And this is just pulling stuff off this car. Now, we don't have any parts for it yet, but we're gonna be prepared. I wanna take it apart and see what we actually need. I'll put together a huge list on Rock Auto, get a bunch of OEM stuff, or maybe we'll have to actually buy a freaking 2J, because they're gonna make me do that, but that's a lot of money, dude.
If you guys want Jimmy to do that, just blow.
No, because everyone's gonna be like, yo, you should 2J, and not understanding that. I don't know. All right, guys, put on your adult caps real quick. They're practical caps. And think what I should do with this car. Should I be an adult, put a non-turbo 2J in it and daily it and look professional, look good? Or should I just say f it and put a 2J or 1J in it and just make it another fast real drive car?
But it'll be a street car, so it'll be like
That I can't register.
Dude, you can.
It's gonna be a pain in the ass.
Emissions would be a little difficult, but I'm sure someone has another black IS they'll let you use.
All right, well, that's what we're gonna start off with that. Let me know what you guys think. We're gonna take it apart today. So it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna take the front end off, right? Take the hood off, give us plenty of room. The bumper's trash, we'll take that off. Grill has to come off, and the fenders are basically trash too, so. Let's get to work. Well, no, we have to move it here, because this is gonna get worked on soon, hopefully, but this is probably gonna be a night longer, so we're gonna.
So let's move it. What are y'all doing? Moving the
cappuccino.
Okay.
We gotta go towards the wall. Are you ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. It's here. And it's gonna be here for a little while. I don't know how long. It all depends on what the hell we're actually gonna do with it, but yeah. Let's take the hood off.
Done.
I don't know. Pick a spot.
We could put this.
Let's play. How far can you toss the IS hood up without it coming back and hitting anything? Look at this.
Stock fender.
Almost done. Yeah, this is good. Ready for this one? Kobe.
Oh!
Oh no!
Oh! Buddy!
I turned. Me too. That was so.
Buddy, you rinsed us.
Oh, just my luck. I'm so used to building OBD1 cars where I could literally just delete everything. Like emissions, anything that has to do with emissions, delete it. This I actually have to worry about it. This might get weird. Oh yeah, Drew too. Here you go. I got you. Open up. As you can see, there's a lot of the exposed bolts have gotten pretty crusty from sitting, so they're pretty typical. These are the same, like, I think they're M6s that Nissan uses. These bolts are really easy to get. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna drip penetrator oil on all these rusty ass bolts as preventative maintenance, because nothing's worse than snapping these bolts in the bolt hole and having to drill them out, retap them, and do all of that. So it's just not worth it. We're just gonna keep going at it. This will save my ass in a few hours. Yeah, we don't need this. Oh wow, that's still connected. Sick. This is a nice crash bar. Fuck. Whoa! Let's hope this is it. Oh, nice. That's it. Yeah. This thing is junk. So this is. Look at that. That's not really fixable. So we got a fun little surprise going on right here. Oh, look at this thing. This is pretty sick. DJ, I got you a gift for the Skyline.
Oh boy. Yes, a light bar. I always wanted them.
Oh, nice. I love when it's that easy. So I thought this was an air box. It's not. ECU's in here, and it has this Swift Racing Technologies high flow intake system chopped into the factory wire harness. It's great. Something just clicked in my head.
Cream? What?
Swift Racing Technologies.
The truckers.
SRT. SRT. Wow, we figured
Dude,
out
it's like
the
a
whole
fake.
mystery.
It's not a Dodge like we thought.
We figured it out.
that
All right, guys. This probably, I don't know. Probably helps correct the air fuel to make up for that.
Keep
I don't know.
It's legit.
It's super legit, but I guess we'll keep it.
They
More power.
installed it really well.
So I know nothing about these engine bays or these engines or this setup, but it seems like I could keep the engine harness on the engine and just disconnect it from the chassis. It seems like the easiest option. Some motors, it's easier to disconnect the whole engine harness and drape it over, but since the ECU is in the engine bay, we should be good. This side is fully disconnected from the chassis. This is the cluster side, so we're gonna keep pulling stuff out. This is the ECU. This thing's huge. We mentioned this before, so we're gonna do this. We got the ECU disconnected from the wire harness. Now I didn't have to pull this whole thing out. I guess not. It was just really these 3 plugs right here, and then this one relay right here, and then this box did splice into the body harness right here, which I believe probably was just the power. I got ACC power for it. But this thing's all chopped up, which is great because this is the factory harness. That makes me feel awesome. But I'll fix that later. I'll wire it up nice so it doesn't look like a side of the road fix, but we'll be good. So while we're up here, we're gonna try and drain the power steering fluid out of the reservoir because I know there's a lot in here. And it's definitely a crusty bitch. Ugh. Nice. Now, I don't know why, but someone put like 80 different grounds on this engine. It is absolutely insane. I really don't think there's that many factory grounds, but someone added quite a few grounds. There's probably, I think there has to be at least 7 4 gauge grounds, which, I mean, you can never have too many grounds, but in this case, yeah, you can. Halfway to removing the condenser, realized there was no gas in it, so that's cool. Makes my life easier, I guess. So we're just gonna pull the lines. Easier than pulling the whole condenser. Come on, come right off. There we go. So I had one fuel line, I think I got it. It's basically just a hard line. It's a banjo bolt underneath the intake. It's really weird. I don't know, hopefully I did it right, but here we go. This is what we got left. The worst part, which is disconnecting the exhaust, just because the exhaust bolts that always get rusted. You can't take them off. So, and then from there, I'm gonna drain the tranny, take the tranny bolts out, the tranny mount bolts out, and hopefully yank her out. But I gotta find a hoist. I need to buy one because I keep borrowing one, and I need one today. Fuck. Well, my headers are coming off with ease, so that's actually really good news. But left my electric ratchet with my 240. What a pain in the ass. All right, hopefully this is like out of the way enough to get the engine out if we just go a little crooked. I don't know, just because the exhaust is not coming off anywhere else. I do not want to try and cut off any bolts right now because that is no fun.
Not fun at all. Gotta find an engine hoist. Captain Jimmy left me up to finding it, so hopefully there's like literally 2 people here though, so it's gonna be pretty difficult.
Let's go knock on some doors.
Yeah.
Did you find a lift yet?
No, not yet. I didn't. We asked 3 people, 2 people. Nobody had one.
Hey Travis, do you have a lift?
What you think? I don't even got wrenches.
Well, we asked 3 people, so we tried. We completely forgot that Eddie had a hoist. I didn't even know you're here, Eddie. But Eddie's here now, so we're gonna borrow his hoist. But it's a tiny one, so we'll see how it goes.
Yo, I found the hoist.
Oh, hey. It's probably the most fun I had all day. Hey. Damn, Ernie, what are you doing? I'll own an FC one day. I'll do it, I'm telling you guys. This is like a Weenie Hut Jr. lift.
Weenie Hut Jr.
Damn. Ready, Eddie?
Ready, Eddie.
I just drained the transmission. We're hooked up. Look how puny this hoist is. Custom short shifter at its finest. Look at this. I don't know the reasoning behind this, if it was leaking or if it was noisy, but ma'am, if you're missing your towel. What is happening? What the fuck?
Don't rip it, dude. I want that.
Oh, here you go. Thanks. Exhaust manifold's giving us some issues, but we actually had to fully remove the engine mount right there. This piece right here, and it gave us plenty of room. So now it's coming out just slightly. We're gonna yank it out as far as we can, see if we have enough room with the jack, which we're not going to. I know we're not. Lower the Lexus and go from there. Look at this. I'm gonna get you guys manning this out. Hey. All right, Eddie, lower it a little bit so it's not so sketchy. That came out
Fucking easy.
not bad. Looks like you can leave everything on these engines. It's super easy. It's gonna be beautiful.
Fresh out of what, 2003?
So I went to go take the automounts out. Well, I got this one. This one should come out. And I cut my thumb pretty bad. I'm not gonna show it. I almost got Travis and Eddie to puke though.
Pretty bad. Perform quick freaking finger surgery.
It's okay. There was something stuck and I get it out. But luckily, we had super glue, so we're in this. We're not bleeding no more, guys. Finger hurts, but we're good. I'm not gonna show it because it's gross, but I wanted to put it on the ground and power wash it tonight. I don't know if I'm feeling up to it now. That's the next step. We gotta power wash it. We gotta make this super fresh for when we get a new one of these, which I think I found, so that's good. Like I said before, guys, maybe we can upgrade this to something a little bit cooler. I don't know what you guys think, but put your practical hats on and we'll figure this out. Should be fun. I'm happy. This was a big step. I'm so glad this is out. Now we just got a lot of cleaning and organizing to do. The Lexus is now a blank slate. This is exciting. Like, having a car like this is exciting because there's a lot of freaking options we can go. I cleaned up everything, so tomorrow we have a nice clean slate. We're gonna power wash it, get it set, and then we're gonna work on the BMW. I'm gonna go up to Tommy's tomorrow. I think we sold enough entries to get that supercharger, so everyone that entered Tommy's giveaway for me, I appreciate it so much. You guys did it. You guys officially got me to get the supercharger, and I can't thank you guys enough. That is amazing. That car's gonna be sick. So we're gonna go pick it up, check out the new cool parts he got for his S15, because he got something that we're gonna be both jealous about. Literally everything. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know what it's gonna be.
Right.
And get to work on the BMW too while we wait for parts for this. So there it is, guys. Calling it early night. My thumb hurts and I'm tired. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And
Have a good night.
you gotta palm it now. That's what we do.